So your father had a brother who he came over with.
Yes.
Okay. He had a sister here already.
Yes.
Did he leave relatives behind?
Yes. His father and his mother, a sister and a brother, and their spouses and their children. They wanted to bring them all over here before World War II, and his father said, "Ich gehe nicht. Es ist a goyische Land," and there was nothing they could do. A cousin of mine went back with a son of his on a roots kind of trip and found out that in October of 1942, the Germans marched 25,000 Jews to the river and shot them all, and that the water ran red for weeks and weeks. Brest-Litovsk was not a shtetl. It had 55,000 people and 35,000 were Jews. And it was an industrial city where the trains came from the west and the east. They were different gauges. They stopped in Brest-Litovsk and were transferred from one to the other, produce, people, etc. And it was a very well-kept city. It was a rich city. When my cousin came back with his son, there were 500 Jews left there.